Hey guys, it is Friday. I have no idea what the date is. Right now we just got done mowing the lawn, or I just got done mowing the lawn, and we're headed out to this guy's house that helped me out, or helped out my mom when she came up here the last time, and the tire fell off of this vehicle right here. Anyway,
This tire.
Yep. So he is a very amateur filmmaker. He really wants to learn, some of the tricks and some tips and all that stuff. And when I went over there to help out with fixing my mom's car, or fixing the vehicle, we got to talking, and he said that he likes to film his own muskie hunts. And I was like, oh, okay, what's your channel? And I checked his channel. He's got like 2 videos on it, and they're very poorly done. And I gave him a little bit of constructive criticism. And he took it to heart, and he's trying. But last night he had a real bad problem. He was playing with his new GoPro he got, and he really didn't know what he was doing. And so he texted me and asked me if I could come out and help, and long story short, that's where we're going. And if this guy Joe ain't home, or even after I'm done helping him, we're gonna head out to the county forest and shoot the pistol a little bit. Just kill, some time and have a little fun. And
What about him?
got the kids, so he'll be fine. Just gotta do something. Start work on Monday, which I'm not really excited about because I like my free time, but at the same time we need money, and obviously she ain't gonna go get a job, so, and Jack ain't gonna, so I guess I gotta. And it's at this lumber mill, or not a mill, a lumber yard, and he kind of gave me the rundown of what I'd be doing, but it was very vague. I know that I'm going to be doing delivery driving, and I'm going to be stacking lumber and all that kind of stuff. So, your guess is as good as mine as to what I'm going to be doing. I'm just a little concerned that I might have to lift stuff over my head, because that would be a problem with my left arm, or even my right arm for that matter. So, and I really didn't have time to kind of tell him my story. He just kind of was like, can you do this, can you do that, and this is what you'll be doing. I'm like, okay. He's like, okay, go fill out the application, we start Monday. I was like, oh, okay. And my hours are 7 to 4, which is what, a 9-hour day. And that's every day until the weekend. And then the weekends I have off, I hope. Alright guys, I'm back. I would have introduced you to Joe, but we got to talking about fishing and videos and making videos. What are you doing? And I was explaining YouTube to him and editing, and he's got an editor. This kid who really isn't any good, doesn't really know anything about it. And what are you what are you doing, silly boy? And I was explaining to him that I've been trained, and I've gone to college for it, and that his videos would be far better if I was editing them. And he's like, well, it's not up to me, it's up to the company that is paying him. He's sponsored, which is, he's good at what he does. He's a really, really good muskie fisherman. And so I was thinking about quite possibly him and I doing a video together, and me introducing you to him while we go muskie fishing. And he's all for it. I'm all for it. I don't have a fishing license, but I got a job now, so when I get my paycheck, I'll get my fishing license. And yeah, I mean, I think it'd be great. I think that with my knowledge and my expertise with cameras and YouTube, I could really show him, kind of lead him in the right direction. Because at the rate he's going with the amount of fish that he catches, he could be pretty. He's got a lot of potential. He could be pretty big. So I think that's our next move. We're gonna try and plan for a day after I'm done with work or on a weekend, and he's gonna take me out and off to a dam or a falls or whatever, and he knows all the places in this area to go fishing. Stop! It's not a kid, it's a dog. And I mean, he was just showing me videos left and right of him pulling in these monster muskies, 48-inch, 49-inch, 50-inch muskies. And so I think that it could be a pretty cool thing for him and I to do together. And he's a really cool guy. Seems like a really knowledgeable and fun guy. So yeah, something to look forward to. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want this? Do you want to see this? And should I post it to this channel or should I post it to my Wild in Wisconsin West channel? I'm thinking the Wild in Wisconsin West channel. I'll show some behind the scenes footage on this channel, but I think the main video will go up on my other channel. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and we are just about to leave. If Amanda would ever finish photographing our son.
Stop moving! I want pictures of his hair.
Yeah, we're gonna go get his hair cut. Looks like a little girl. God, look at that hair. Look at that hair, Jack. Oh my God.
That's after.
Look at this. Look at this. It's terrible.
What do you want in your hair?
What are we gonna go do?
Jack, what do you want to put in your hair? What is it
No.
called? Hair tie.
Yeah.
Tie.
She's been putting ponytails in my son's hair.
He's been asking for them.
Hey, leave me alone. Leave me alone. All right. Cute.
Where are you going?
This kid is a monster. No. All right. Anyway, so we're gonna head to the the barber shop and
figure it out.
yeah. So we'll see you guys at the barber shop. All right. So I've got the little monster all buckled in, and yeah, we're gonna head down and we're gonna get his hair cut because this is ridiculous. Look at this hair. Look at that hair. Little curly cues everywhere. He's got my hair. It's just, I don't know. He's gonna hate it. Oh, be back.
All right, okay, ready? Go. Climb on up.
Big boy.
Okay, sit on your butt. Sit back all the way. Just in case.
There you go. Perfect.
Good job. High five. Who is that? Who is that? That's right, that's Jack. Now I'm gonna make it rain on you. Woo! Woo! Is it misting on you?
Look at that. Oh, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's see. Let's see right here. See, I know not even to ask. I just get the envelope ready. You get a few good curls in there.
Hold still, okay?
That one's good. Woo! Is that your hair? That is yours.
Put that back.
All right.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my God.
Good job. Woo, mams.
You're such a big boy.
Woo.
It's okay.
What do you think? Do you look different? Yeah. Do you like it so far? It's okay?
Yeah, he goes.
It's not scary at all, is it? And then, because you're doing such a great job, you get to pick out a treat after the haircut.
A treat?
We're supposed to use him in the beginning as bribery, but he's doing amazing so far.
Good job.
He's completely
Are you that
entranced.
many? Yeah?
Yeah, a couple days will be 3.
Wow, you're gonna be 3. You're gonna be a big guy. And then next year you get to go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, when you're 4, right?
Yep.
Yeah. I used to work in a daycare too, so it helps me with the
Oh,
kids.
yeah.
I did 4 years. I act like it was a prison sentence, because sometimes it was.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I can imagine.
Especially when I was
Yeah.
in the 3-year-old room, I cried. I wanted to go back in with the 2-year-olds. The 3-year-olds were mean.
it gets bad.
It's terrible 2s and horrible 3s. This is all your hair. Okay, let's
Whoa.
do this. You ready?
You're so
Can you
cute.
look over there? Thank you. So, what else are you gonna do? Are you going to get some ice cream today? Yeah. No,
No.
are you gonna get some ice cream for your birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about, do you think you should get a sucker today? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. We can do that, but we gotta finish your haircut, okay, buddy? You need your hands? Here. There you go.
There you go.
There's your hands. Do you think a sucker's gonna help you now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're getting a little antsy.
Jack, look. Who is that?
How about this one? A watermelon.
Oh, here comes the
Yummy.
mess.
Oh, he's like, oh.
Yep, and that's how I am.
Say thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. You sitting as good as you are right now is thanks enough. Give that. Now I can move quick. All right, young man. We're gonna get this so this doesn't look like you have a comb over.
Oh my god.
See, look. See, I told you. Darker at the end, almost white at the top.
Yeah.
I told you.
That's a good curl to keep right there.
Oh yeah.
You look so handsome, buddy. Wow.
Yay.
Yay.
Little flock of seagull going in. Look at you.
Look at your hair. That's
Do you look silly? Yeah. You're sitting better than some 60-year-olds. You gotta keep telling them, stop moving. Stop looking out the window. Woo. Is that you? Look at how handsome you are. You're not
Okay.
a sucker, so you're gonna be sticky, huh?
Come here, bud.
Let's see.
Come here.
Can you do a spin so we can see all the way around? Go in a circle so we can go see all the way around.
Woo!
That was a quick spin. Good job.
Well, we did it. What happened, Jack? What happened? Look at that hair.
Just like this.
Oh my god. She chopped your hair off.
Cut hair.
Oh, you did really amazing. Oh yeah, I got it. I mean, I expected a lot of screaming and crying and fighting, and she was so wonderful.
Oh, he's not the
God, he did such a good job. Yeah, so Amanda started crying at the barber. I don't know what's with women and getting their, you know, they get so emotional over hair. It's just like, okay, well, I understand his curls are cute and all, but I mean, you could breed that shit, literally. So I'm glad it's gone, and I think he looks very handsome. Do you like your haircut, buddy? Do you like your haircut? Okay, well, he's not gonna answer me. Anyway, so today is another lazy day. Nothing really going on. Amanda's got to go to work, and I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Maybe take the kids to the beach. It's supposed to be like 85 today. So I don't know. I don't want to sit around all day either. I want to do something. I want to go out and maybe go hiking. I don't know. It's kind of hot to go hiking, but maybe we'll head up to Twin Bridges or something like that and go wade around in the water. I honestly can't tell you. It's just we really don't know anybody in the area yet, and I'm looking forward to meeting. You know, you gotta find a place to meet people. I wish there was if they just had a pool somewhere nearby. That would be great. Alright, so we're headed to Thunder Mountain now. It's, I don't even know, it's a park nearby. So we've never been there. Kids are bored. Didn't want to sit around the house all day on a beautiful Saturday. And so I was like, well, there is a park we haven't been to in the area, so let's go check it out. Maybe do a little bit of hiking. I guess you can see the entire landscape all around it once you get up on top. So figured, what the hell, let's go check it out. Jack seems to be loving his new haircut, and he's chugging. Slow down with your drink. Chugging his drink like freaking crazy. Kid drinks like a fish. Yeah, I drink like a fish, Jack. Yeah. Yeah, fish. But, yeah, other than that, though, not much else going on. Alright, so we had to stop at a gas station here, but look at this guy. Oh, aren't you pretty? Beautiful German Shepherd. Yeah. Looks like he's just a pup. Are you a puppy? Why are you talking to me? I don't know you. You a good boy? Or a girl? Yeah, doggy. Anyway, I can't get my radio to work. I don't know what's going on here. So, this doesn't light up at all. Alright, CD goes in. Let's see if it turns on that way. Okay, so now it should be on. But I can't. Nothing's happening. This is really frustrating. I think it might have something to do with the TV. Let's take a look. Alright, so we're about 2.5 miles from Thunder Mountain, and oh my god, this is seriously wooded country back here. It is amazing. It's beautiful. A lot of cabins. Seen a lot of them. Find a nice camp, you know, somewhere we can. I always see, whenever I see a nice camp, or whenever I think of a nice camp, I always picture it just like Camp de Somas when I was a kid. It was always so amazing to me. So far, the only camp I found that resembles Camp de Somas is Camp de Somas. And that's about 4 hours away, so that ain't gonna happen. And that's Boy Scout camp. Very pretty back here. Look at that. Wow, there's a valley and everything right there. Look at that house.
Whoa. Down.
Yeah, down, down, down. That's right. Up, 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 up. Almost feels like we're in the Appalachians right now.
I don't know what that feels like.
Just trust me, it does.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, did I miss a turn? Is this what Thunder Mountain is? Is this... expect us to pay. Of course, why not? Even though they don't do shit with it. What a load of crap. Well, we'll take a little hike here. Let's see if we can find a lookout. Well, guys, we are leaving. It ain't worth it. Drove all that way here, and this is what we see. I realize that we gotta go hiking, but hiking with a 2-year-old
Doesn't really work.
no, it doesn't work. So there's this place called Cauldron Falls, which isn't too far away. So we'll go check that out. Alright guys, so we are on top of this bridge. It's Twin Bridge? Twin Bridge. And Twin Bridges. Right now I'm doing one of those short little toy movie settings here, and yeah, kids are waving to the boats. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, so now we're up on the lookout here. Bunch of girls down there swimming. But yeah, this is just beautiful back here. Had a little bit of a problem with little man there. He climbed all the way up this, no problem. But as soon as we got up to the top, he realized that he wasn't by the P-A-R-K. Sit down. And completely freaked out and started screaming and crying.
No.
But I don't know. I calmed him down with a granola bar, as he did actually, because she's such a wonderful helper. But holy crap! You just stay right there, okay, bud? Yeah, that's the way to do it right there. Big old boat. Look at that. This is crazy. I've never seen a lake with this much boat traffic. This is just insane. I suppose they're all kind of funneled into this one area, so it's got it's more concentrated, but damn. It has been non-stop like this since I got up here, and I've been up here for a half an hour. It's kind of hard to do all this with the kids, but you make do. Okay, nice and easy. Hey, we're almost there. Yeah. And he still doesn't want my hand. Alright. Okay. Alright, so we got up to the van. And he is absolutely just being horrible. Will not even let me buckle him in. Alright, let's try this again one more time. Alright, here, look what I got. Look what Daddy's got. You want to see what I got? Yeah. Stop face. Why don't you take a drink? Oh my God. This kid will wear you down.
It's so warm out.
Okay, you're all full of snot. Alright, take another drink. Can I buckle you up now? You gotta get buckled, man. Alright, give me your cup. Alright, let's try this again. You're getting buckled. Alright, one arm. Oh. Hey, calm down. Jack, hey, do you want to go to the other park? Yeah? Well, if you want to go to... Shit. He's strong. Alright. Oh, we finally got him buckled in. And it was weird. It was like I tried to bribe him, and I tried candy, and I tried granola bar and drink and everything, and nothing was working. So we drove around the campsite just real slow without him buckled in, let him calm down a little bit. And I went back in there, and I was like, okay, we got to try again, you know. And he started freaking out again. I'm like, Jack, you got to listen. I said, if you don't wear your seatbelt, you're going to get bad boo-boos, you know. And he listened, and he let me buckle him up. Surprisingly. Very surprisingly. Oh, God. It's been a long day. I think we're going to head home and have dinner. Maybe make some bratwurst or something.
Yay,
But, it's been... Wow, the boats are off the... Well, there's still a few out there, but... aren't as many as there were before.
Way back there.
Was there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, I will see you later.